Hey, my name is Charlie, and if you're thinking about signing up for GoHighLevel, don't sign up just yet. Seriously, watch this video first because it's going to make your experience 10 times better. Now, I do want to say GoHighLevel is honestly one of the most powerful business tools that I use right now. In fact, I use it to run all of my businesses, and it replaces 5 to 6 different tools for me. The only issue is a lot of people, they'll sign up, they'll get super overwhelmed by everything it can do because it can pretty much do everything, and they end up wasting their free trial. So in this video, I'm going to give you guys a bunch of clarity on what you'll want to use GoHighLevel for, and then I'll walk you through exactly what you need to have in place before you sign up so that you can actually hit the ground running. Let's get started. Okay, so first, the number one mistake people make when they sign up for GoHighLevel is they sign up using the wrong link. So you can either sign up directly through GoHighLevel, or you can sign up through a person's link like mine. Now, the thing is, if you mistakenly sign up just on the website directly, you're going to get a shorter trial and you're going to miss out on a ton of free bonuses. It's also similar if you sign up with the wrong affiliate, because the bonuses that you get from different affiliates varies a lot. I truly believe that if you sign up using my link, you're going to get the absolute best bonuses that exist, and it's just going to make your GoHighLevel experience so much better. So I currently have a full-time HighLevel team whose sole job is to build the best bonuses for you guys. So they're constantly building new templates, new snapshots, tons and tons of new freebies. And so yeah, every automation, every template, everything I use in my own businesses, I give out for free when you use my link. This was the biggest mistake I made when I signed up for GoHighLevel. I didn't sign up under the right affiliate, so I missed out on a ton of free stuff. Now I have a link down below, and it's going to take you to a page that looks just like this. Now the first big thing that you'll get when you sign up under my link is you'll get that 30-day extended free trial. This is double the length of the normal trial, so you might as well do it. But the stuff that makes a huge difference is going to be all the freebies that you get. So every single automation, every single template, every single bonus that I use within my businesses, I give them out for free. And so you can literally just copy the stuff that I've built, paste it into your own business. And this should save you guys like hundreds and hundreds of hours of your time. Now I do have a paid community where we have coaching, we have Q&A sessions, and it usually costs money, but it is completely free for people that sign up using my link. You'll also get access to my 8-week challenge. Every single week I give a new freebie. I basically teach you guys how to build your business using HighLevel. We'll talk a little bit more about that later on, but yeah, these are things that everyone who starts using GoHighLevel should have access to. So I truly believe that if you're not setting up to get these types of freebies, you're missing out on so much value. And the thing is, it doesn't change the pricing at all. Everything is completely free, no matter if you sign up directly with HighLevel or through me. So that's what I think is the first biggest mistake that people make. I also forgot, you also get a free onboarding call when you sign up using my link. So the HighLevel team will literally help you set everything up, take advantage of all my templates and all that stuff. And I've seen the data, like the difference that doing this call makes for your eventual success with using the platform is absolutely astronomical. So I think it is 100% mandatory to attend that onboarding call. The next big mistake that people make is they don't plan their first 60 days. So a lot of people, they'll sign up for HighLevel, they'll sort of poke around randomly at all the different features, and they don't have like a clear direction. So if you're not going through some type of, let's say, 8-week program or challenge, then you're just going to be super lost in the software and you're not going to know how to start and what to do. So like I mentioned earlier, when you sign up using my link, you get access to my 8-week program, and it teaches you how to build a complete marketing and AI system within HighLevel. So before you sign up, you'll want to basically have this in mind. These first 8 weeks are super crucial. And it's really important that you guys actually follow some type of plan. So basically in my program, right, weeks 1 to 4, we're going to help you build the foundation, and weeks 5 to 8, we're going to help you scale with AI. Every single week, you're going to get another freebie that's going to help you a lot. So for example, week 1, we're going to teach you how to turn your expertise or skills into something that people actually want to buy. In week 2, we're going to teach you how to build a high converting landing page, as well as a lead capture system. So basically you can turn website visitors and social media traffic into actual paying customers. Week 3, we're going to really teach you how to use the software to nurture leads, converting leads into actual customers through automated follow-ups, automated workflows, appointment reminders, all that stuff. So I'll give you a bunch of email sequences and templates that you guys can use. And week 4, I'm going to teach you guys how to get testimonials. This is super underutilized in my opinion. Basically automated review systems that help you get a lot of 5-star reviews. In weeks 5 to 8, I'm going to teach you things like using conversation AI, right? Like how you can build an AI system that can actually help you book appointments. Week 6 is voice AI. So basically helping you build an AI receptionist. So instead of having to hire a full-time person, you can just have AI be your phone receptionist. receptionist. Week 7, I'll teach you guys how to use HighLevel's Agent Studio, so how you guys can build social media posts directly within Agent Studio. And then week 8, I'll teach you guys how to build a content distribution system. So essentially your content fully automated for you. You also get a ton of guides in this 8-week challenge, tons of snapshots, and you also get these AI team members delivered. So yeah, having structure like this really increases the success rate and your ability to actually incorporate HighLevel into your business. The real goal is to get you guys to absolutely love HighLevel, because if you guys can effectively incorporate HighLevel into your business is just going to run so much better and cleaner. So the next big mistake is you need to know what you actually want HighLevel for. Don't sign up just because everyone else is using it, because yes, HighLevel can do a ton of things, but you don't need all of them on day one. So what I recommend you guys do is figure out your top 1 to 2 use cases. Like, are you trying to capture more leads? Are you trying to follow up with leads automatically? Are you trying to do DM automations? Because yes, HighLevel can replace ManyChat, and you can have people comment a word on your post on Instagram, and it's going to automatically DM them. You're trying to build a website or a funnel, or you're trying to build an agency. Really write down the top 1 to 2 things you want HighLevel to do for you. That way you won't get super overwhelmed by all the different features. The next big mistake is people try to learn HighLevel on their own. There's so much content out there. I have a ton of free GoHighLevel tutorials on my channel. And it's really, really important for you guys to actually learn the software by watching a video and then actually using it yourself. Like I'm talking about at the same exact time, right? Watch a little bit, play around with it yourself. That is the only way you guys are going to learn the software. If you watch an entire video and then you try to do it yourself, you're going to forget a lot of things. I know I made this mistake. So yeah, that's really the most efficient way to learn HighLevel. It's really important that you guys get walked through all the different features and that you play around with those features yourself. And you also should really attend that onboarding call with HighLevel. You'll get that free call if you guys use my link. And I promise you, it's just going to make the whole experience so much better. Spending a couple hours learning HighLevel is going to save you hours and hours later on. Another big mistake I see a lot of people make is they don't have their business basics ready when they sign up for HighLevel. So HighLevel, it's great for beginners, but the best types of businesses that it works for are businesses that already have a foundation. So it's really important that you guys, for example, have a domain, you have your brand assets, you have an actual offer. It's important that you guys have some existing tools that you're already using that you'll probably replace with HighLevel. And so what I recommend people do is have all the stuff set up beforehand. That way, right when you start your trial to go HighLevel, you can really get the ball rolling, go through my 8-week program, and fully incorporate HighLevel into your business really, really fast. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to map out your customer journey. So HighLevel is really amazing at automations, but automations only work if you know the steps you want someone to actually go through. So before you guys sign up, sketch out a simple version of how do people find you. Is it through ads? Is it through social media, referrals, search? And what do you want them to actually do, right? Do you want them to fill out a form? Do you want them to book a call? Do you want them to buy something? And then what happens after that? Is there a follow-up sequence? Is there onboarding, whatever? And it doesn't need to be fancy. It could just be on a piece of paper or a Google Doc. And what this is going to help you guys do is be able to actually use HighLevel and build out these automations and workflows. Mapping out this process will take you maybe 20 minutes, but it's going to make it really clear what tools within HighLevel you need to use to create this customer journey. The thing is, once you build out all these automations and workflows for your customer, it runs on autopilot, right? So whenever a lead comes in, they're going to get taken through this entire journey, and the amount of conversions from leads to actual customers is going to go through the roof. And then I sort of mentioned this already, but the last mistake that people do is they try to replace everything on day one. So yes, HighLevel can replace probably a bunch of the tools you're currently using, but I don't recommend trying to migrate everything all at once, right? Start with 1 or 2 different things, get those working, and then gradually move the other tools over. So let's say you're using ManyChat and your first priority is like, I want to use HighLevel to actually do DM automation. Well, you can migrate from ManyChat to HighLevel pretty easily, but focus on that for a few days. Once you get that migrated, then you can focus on, let's say, migrating from a different email provider to HighLevel. And then after that, you can go from, let's say, Calendly to using the calendar function within HighLevel. And then you can start migrating your websites from whatever platform you use over to HighLevel. Yeah, so don't cancel all these services on day one. Start by doing one thing, get that done, then do the next thing. And gradually you'll have everything migrated over within, let's say, a few weeks time. That's going to be a lot more sustainable sustainable, and it's going to ensure that you guys don't make any big mistakes or get overwhelmed. But I've seen this over and over again where people try to migrate everything all at once and they get overwhelmed and they just sort of give up on the software. Next mistake I see people make is they don't use the AI features properly. So first, of course, if you guys go through my 8-week program, it's going to really teach you AI. For example, I'm in the dashboard right now. You guys are probably already somewhat familiar with all of these things right here, right? This is where all your conversations with leads and clients is going to show up. You can create unlimited calendars right here. So this fully replaces Calendly. Every contact and lead is going to show up right here. This is a demo account, so I don't really have any information here. Here you can see your opportunity pipelines, right? So new leads, and all these templates are going to be included if you guys sign up using my link. You can handle payments, you can handle contracts, subscriptions, you can host your own course within HighLevel. Marketing, so all your social media posts can be planned and posted through HighLevel right here. This is where all your automations live, and you can create workflows by clicking this button right here. You can create a bunch of different websites and landing pages. You can build out different forms and surveys and quizzes. We talked about reputation, right? So being able to send and get reviews for your business, super, super important. But I want to focus right now on AI Studio and AI agents. So a lot of people, they don't know how to use this, but essentially you can basically build any type of landing page, any type of app, any internal software. Basically, this is vibe coding built into HighLevel. They have tons of different templates that you guys can get started using. For example, if you want to build a chat application, you can literally choose this right here. You just have a conversation with it and it builds out this internal platform or software for you. It's very similar to Base 44, Lovable, any of those other popular vibe coding softwares. So here's a basic app that it just built for me. And the cool thing is all these apps and websites, they are hosted directly on HighLevel. So you don't even need to migrate these over to a different platform. Same thing with AI agents, right? A lot of people, they don't take advantage of voice AI, which is basically your AI receptionist, conversation AI, which is basically like an appointment setter, as well as content AI. And yes, these are some of the more advanced features of HighLevel, but it's definitely important that you guys actually play around with these and incorporate them into your business at some point. Don't worry, that 8-week challenge is going to definitely cover a lot of these things. Another big mistake that people make is they don't know which plan to go with. So for most people, I'd say the starter plan is going to be great to start. This allows you to have 3 different sub accounts. So let's say you have 3 different businesses. You can have 1 starter account and run 3 businesses on HighLevel. Now, the unlimited and agency pro plans, this is where it gets really crazy. These allow you to have unlimited sub accounts. So if you have different clients that you manage, all your clients can have their own sub account. It's all included in one single subscription. Like you literally could have hundreds of sub accounts on the unlimited plan. And so this is really great for agencies or people, let's say, building websites or funnels for different local businesses. All those local businesses can get their own sub account. You can even charge people monthly for those accounts, right? Let's say you charge everyone about $100 per month. That means having just 3 clients is going to pay for this membership. Plus, you're probably going to be charging some type of retainer for your agency services on top of this. Yeah, a lot of people don't realize that you can have unlimited sub accounts with the unlimited plan and actually make money reselling these accounts. The agency pro plan, most of you guys probably won't need, at least for now, but the big difference is that you get unlimited SaaS accounts. So SaaS mode is very powerful. I'm not going to talk about it in this video. But essentially, you can have your clients make their own accounts directly without your involvement. And you can also rebuild them for email, phone, text, and AI and put a markup on that. With all these plans, you get a 30-day free trial. And if you guys already signed up for HighLevel and you want to actually take advantage of all my bonuses and freebies, you can either upgrade using these 2 buttons right here and you'll get all my bonuses. And so yeah, that's pretty much everything you guys need to know before signing up for GoHighLevel. Now, if you do all these things before you start your trial, I promise you, you're going to be way ahead of most people. And again, I'll have a link down below. It's GoHighLevel.com/Charlie. It's going to be in the description and you'll get that extended 30-day free trial. You also get that free onboarding call and you also get $15,000 of freebies and templates and snapshots that I've built out. If you can't tell, I am so passionate about GoHighLevel. I think it is the most impactful software that I've had in my entrepreneurship journey. That's why every business I start, I use HighLevel as the backbone, as the foundation. It's made me a much better entrepreneur. I truly think that every business owner out there should give the software a try because it's just been super life impacting for me. And I think it can be the same for you. Not only will you 100% save a ton of money since everything's built into this one subscription, but you'll build a much more efficient, better run business if you take advantage of all the features within HighLevel. Plus, you guys can just literally copy and paste a bunch of the stuff that I've built out and put in my own businesses. Yeah, it should be one of the highest ROI moves you make for your business. Hopefully you guys found this video helpful. please give it a like, subscribe if you got some value from it. Yeah, I do a ton of videos about entrepreneurship, finance, business. My whole goal is to help you guys live a financially successful life. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.